If you're looking for an easy and tasty snack, this recipe is for you. Let's start by putting 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese, parsley to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 100 milliliters of milk. Mix everything well. Add 300 grams of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Take the time to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. I'm going to add a little more wheat flour until the dough is loose from my hands. You can add the flour little by little until you feel that the dough is very loose. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. Dip a glass into the flour and make marks on the dough, forming a circle. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know how much you liked it. Now that the markings are made, just remove the rest of the dough. Put a little oil in a frying pan. Just add the batter to the pan. Brush a little oil on top. Let it fry until golden brown. Now that it's golden, I'll turn it over so that it's golden on the other side. Leave to fry for another 3 minutes over a low heat. And our recipe is ready, easy, and quick to prepare at home for you and your family. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.